More sunshine today. We've been seeing it all day on the Moody Motor Sky Cam up at Crofton Lakeview Golf Course. Warmer than yesterday. That warm-up expected to stick with the state over the next 48 to 72 hours, bringing with it, though, more wind. Those dry conditions, that's like we've been saying, it's a tinderbox in Nebraska right now. That's why the National Weather Service issuing warnings like these, red flag warnings in effect for pretty much the entire state of Nebraska until 7 p.m. this evening. Then tomorrow, it's a fire weather watch. This only shows the bottom like half of the state. It's for pretty much everybody in the state. And I would not be surprised if when we get into tomorrow, these fire weather watches turn into more red flag warnings, because we're expecting up to 40, 45 mile an hour wind gusts. And it's certainly not expected to get any less dry over the next 24 hours. In fact, this is our months-to-date precipitation map. Zero. We have had zero precipitation in the entire state of Nebraska for the entire month of October. This is crazy. In fact, if you go to the 30-day map, there are some parts of the Panhandle that have gone 30 days without measurable precipitation. And there are a lot of parts of the state that are getting dangerously close to joining them. So hopefully, the forecasts hold true, and over the weekend we do get some of that much needed rain. I know that folks want to get harvest done, but it is getting dangerously dry in parts of Nebraska right now. On this National Feral Cat Day, there are feral cats all over the place. Anybody who lives in Nebraska can tell you that. In fact, on an average year, 420,000, this is a 7-year span, 420,000 kittens are born ferally every 7 years. A lot of folks have started doing what's called the trap, neuter, return method, which is where you trap a feral cat, you get it neutered, then you send it back out, so at least they're not multiplying. It can save cats' lives, because a lot of these cats, they get sent to shelters, they can't find homes for them, and millions are euthanized every year. So, a lot of folks like to feed the feral cats. That's fine, but the trap neuter method is the better way to help control that cat population. It is also National Take Your Parents to Lunch Day today. So, if your parents are in town, you can take them out to lunch, but this is more about going to school and having lunch with your kids at school. It's a way to monitor your child's eating habits, create a bit of a parent-child bond, and even learn what their favorite meal is. There are things my kids eat at school that they patently refuse to eat at home, and it is nice to know what's so different about the school lunches. Not as bad as they were when I was a kid, it turns out. We got more news and weather on the way. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day. This is News Channel Nebraska.